Hello viewers, today I am going to coat LDH to the membrane. So first of all I will show you the exact method. First of all I will weigh the membrane, then I will explain you the different technologies. Okay. So this membrane is around 7.4, 7.6, 7.7 milligrams. Now I have transferred, this is around 1 milligram. Okay, it depends on the weight of your membrane. Okay, so here I have randomly taken this weight. Okay, you can choose from 0.1 to 1% of the membrane or even more. It depends what weight is directly impregnated or binded to the membrane on the surface of the membrane. So now what we will do, we will pour around 100 ml of the water and ultrasoniate so that it disperses very well in the water. And carefully see that this LDH has fully immersed in the solution using the ultrasonication. Okay, now we will try to add our membrane and shake for around 8 to 12 hours. Also you can see this is our PVDF base membrane, so successfully nickel iron. You can see the change of the color, and this is our pristine membrane, so there is no coating, and here there is a coating. We are shaking this, you can see we are shaking this, okay, at 250 rpm. We will shake this for around 10 to 12 hours. Okay, and meanwhile we will discuss the different technique that I use to bind the LDH or LDO to the membrane. So we have different available techniques in the literature. So if we want to attach LDH, LDO, Del double oxide, lanthanide oxide or other metal oxide fillers onto the surface of a membrane such as PVDF, PSF, PES, PN or cellulose based membrane. So there are different established approaches. For example, physical coating is like simple deposition, strong attachment, chemical bonding, embedded nanoparticles, mixed matrix membrane, in situ growth on the membrane. For example, physical coating, this is the most common laboratory approach. For example, we will prepare the one we did, LDH or LDO suspension in the water, and that should be lying from 0.1 to 1 gram per liter, and the solvent could be deionized water. For example, if we have a hydrophilic LDH or ethanol to water mixture, for example 50:50 ratio, isopropanol to water. Okay, so we will prepare, for example, if we are having 100 milligram of LDH, for that particular case we will have 100 ml of the DI water, so it is 1:1 ratio. Then we will do the ultrasonication for around 20 to 60 minutes. Okay, for 40 kilohertz. Okay, then this will what it will do, the break the agglomerate that we saw here, produce uniform dispersion, increase coating homogeneity. So without sonication, the LDH particles will aggregate and do the uneven coating, and then immerse the membrane for 1 to 24 hours in a orbital shaker or a magnetic stirring. Typical shaking should be 100 to 200 rpm. Then we will wash gently with DI water and dry the membrane at 40 to 60 or 40 to 50 degree overnight. Second would be vacuum assisted filtration coating. This is the very popular. So the LDH suspension is filtered through the membrane. Particle remain on the surface. Other than vacuum coated, we can try the dead membrane filtration also, and it does uniform coating, better coverage, precise loading. Example could be if you have 100 ml suspension, so we can take 0.5 milligram to milligram per ml to the LDH. This will do the thin LDH. In situ growth, strongest attachment. So we will press the membrane into a precursor solution, for example magnesium 2+, Al3+, and add NaOH or Na2CO3. So this, and then maintain the pH to 9 to 10, heat, and then the LDH crystals grow directly on the membrane. So this is strong adhesions, less particle loss, high stability. For another method is hydrothermal coating. We will again prepare the solution into which we have to like LDH solution of the water, and then we will transfer the whole assortment or ultrasonication to the this hydrothermal reactor, and then transfer this to the autoclave reactor, and then we can put that mixture for at 80 to 150 degrees C, depending on the membrane property. So this gives strongest attachment, uniform nanostructure. There is another which is called dopamine assisted coating. So here we will coat the membrane with polydopamine. So we will take the solution dopamine hydrochloride, price buffer, pH should be around 8 to 8.5, and this reaction should go for 12 to 24 hours. So this will form a thin PDA layers. Okay, so immerse this PDA membrane into LDH suspensions. Okay, then we have other methods also like mixed matrix membrane, and okay, so every method has its own pros and cons. Okay, so it depends on what is available in the laboratory and what needs to be done. So we will shake this and then check the membrane. So this is all about the coating of the LDH, LDO or the metal fillers onto the membrane surface.